Hello, my name is Caitlin Golden, and today I'll be discussing the Shaw v. Reno court case. The key question for this court case was, is racial gerrymandering subject to strict scrutiny under the 14th Amendment? The petitioner for this case was Rutho Shaw, a North California resident who led a group of white voters in the lawsuit. And the respondent was Janet Reno, a U.S. Attorney General. The case was argued on April 20th, 1993, and the final decision was presented on June 28th, 1993, the same year. North California's 1990 census entitled the state to a 12th seat in the U.S. House of Representatives. The General Assembly drafted a reapportionment plan that created one black majority district. At the time, North Carolina's voting age population was 78% white, 20% black, 1% Native American, and Asian. The General Assembly submitted the plan to the U.S. Attorney General for pre-clearance under the Voting Rights Act. Congress had amended the VRA in 1982 to target vote dilution, in which members of a specific racial minority were targeted and spread thin across the district to decrease their ability to ever gain a voting majority. The Attorney General formally objected to the plan, arguing that a second majority-minority district could be created in the South Central to the Southeastern region to empower Native American voters. The General Assembly took another look at the maps and drew in a second majority-minority district in the North Central region of the state. Along Interstate 85, the 160-mile corridor cut through 5 counties, splitting some counties into 3 voting districts. The new majority-minority district was described in the Supreme Court's case as snake-like. Residents objected to the reapportionment plan, and 5 white residents from Durham County, North Carolina, led by Rutho Shaw, filed a suit against the state and the federal government. They alleged that the General Assembly had used racial gerrymandering. Gerrymandering occurs when one group or political party draws voting district boundaries in a way that gives a specific group of voters more power. Shaw sued on the basis that the plan violated several constitutional principles, including the 14th Amendment Equal Protection Clause, which guarantees equal protection under law for all citizens regardless of race. A district court dismissed the claims against the federal government and the state. The Supreme Court agreed to address the claim against the state. Residents argued that the state had gone too far when redrawing district lines to create a second majority-minority district. The resulting district was strangely structured and did not follow reapportionment guidelines, which highlighted the importance of compactness, contiguousness, geographical boundaries, or political subdivisions. According to the residents' complaint, racial gerrymandering prevented voters from participating in a colorblind voting process. Four of the justices in this case dissented from the majority opinion, citing for 2 reasons. First, that the white voters who brought the suit could not prove that they had been injured in any way by the redistricting plan. And second, that the redistricting plan was an attempt to equalize treatment by providing minority voters with an effective voice in the political process, not an attempt to strip voting power from a particular group. The court's final ruling said that claims of racial redistricting must be held to a standard of strict scrutiny, meaning that any law that results in classification by race must have a compelling government interest, be narrowly tailored to meet the goal, and be the least restrictive means for achieving that interest. Thank you for watching. My name is Caitlin Golden, and this is Challenge News.